Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a dancing or moving AI avatar in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. The tool we're gonna talk about today is Wiggle, and here is the URL. And with this tool, you can upload a picture of your model and then upload it to Wiggle, and Wiggle AI will transform that still image to a moving video. Just head over to wiggle.ai and then from the homepage, click on Join the Beta on Discord. After that, you need to accept the invite, and once logged in, you'll come to this page on Discord. On the left side, we'll find all the servers. If you need any help, just click on the key facts and then just read through it, and then you'll have an idea. In order to create the video, just select any one of these servers. Let's go with Animate1 and then type in your command /, and in here you'll notice there are two options. We have Animate and we have Mix. So for now, we'll use the animate image, and in here the AI will generate the video based on the image and the prompt. And if you click on the mix, the AI will generate the video based on a reference video. So let's try the animate first. So / animate, and then you have to upload your image. Make sure for better results, you upload a full body shot of your model. So after that, you need to enter the motion prompt. And for that, you need to go back to wiggle.ai and then click on prompt for Discord. And here you can check out all these videos you can create with your own model. So let's say I like this, so I'll copy the prompt. And then go back to Discord and then paste in your prompt. After that, click on the background, and here you get the option between white, green, and from template. For now, I'll just use from template. And then for fine tuning, just click on. This will make the video better. So after that, just hit enter. Once the AI has done finishing the video, it will appear here, and it will take some time. So let me get back to you. Alright, and there you go, our video is ready. It took some time, but finally it's done. So here is the picture of the model that I've uploaded. And here is the video. Alright, so the AI has integrated the image with the video really well. Now let's try the other method where we're gonna upload a reference video, and I'll ask the AI to capture the movements from the video. For that, we have to write in a command /, and this time we're gonna use mix. In here we have to upload our image, and then we have to upload a reference video. After that, select the background. For this, I'll go with green, and for the fine tune, just go with on. And after that, just hit enter. And there you go, our video is ready. So this was the original image, and this is the video side by side. Alright, so the AI did a really good job in copying the motion from the video. But as you can see, we have made the video in green screen so that we can upload it to our video editor and then merge this with the original video. In order to do that, we're gonna need to use one more tool, and that's inpainting by Runway ML. Just head over to Runway ML and then click on edit videos, find inpainting, and then upload our original video here. Once it's done uploading, simply click and drag it over. Now we need to select the area that we want to remove from the video. And just like that, our person is removed. Now export this video, and then we're gonna use our video editing software. So all you have to do, download the video, and now you can open up any of your favorite video editing software. I'm gonna use CapCut, and then import your videos here. Add both the videos to the timeline, and then select the green screen track, head over to the right and click on cutout. Select chroma key and then just click on it, and your video is ready. Adjust the strength and the shadows according to you, and now it looks like this. Alright, so that's how you replace your AI influencer with the reference video. Alright, so that's about it for today. That's how you can create these amazing videos for your AI influencer from images as well as from reference videos. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's how you can make your AI avatar dance or move with the help of text prompt or from a reference video. So do check out Veagle.ai and make your own unique videos. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.